Her name's Amaria. And yeah, here's Arnold.
How's it going?
How's it going? Booski. The bottom.
Oh no, just that.
What do you? You would not say Booski. Booski! You're not. You're down on the floor. You're down on the floor.
Oh, Cello, you're fine.
Where'd you come from? Well,
That's not what I meant, girl.
well, when a man and a woman love each other.
I was asking that way.
Well, you asked. Well, January 18th, 1995, at 11:07 p.m.
Where'd you come from right now?
Because I'm Maria. Where is Maria?
Oh, where is that girl?
I kicked her butt.
Oh, high five, girl.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're Edward.
It was fart.
Fart.
Okay.
Okay. Ew, what? That's so nasty.
Okay. Oh no, just that. So, you know how tall I am? Oh yeah.
Bye.
Oh, oh.
You gotta hit the little button right there. Now hit it.